Welcome to Lakeland College and the School of Trades and Technology. You've chosen a college with supportive instructors who will help you in the classroom and in the lab. But your instructors aren't the only ones here to assist you. Lakeland College has many services and resources available, so you have the support you need to do well academically and personally. First off, where did you park today? There's free parking on the south and east side of the Trade Center and in the second lot north of Alumni Hall. Please don't park in the reserved stalls. Your vehicle may be towed. If you're a new Lakeland student, your photo will be taken for a student identification card. Your instructor will tell you what room to go to for your photo. For returning Lakeland students, your chip card will be reactivated. All students must have the new chip identification card. Your first card is free of charge. We work closely with staff in the Alberta Apprenticeship and Industry Training Office in Vermilion. They help with any questions related to your apprenticeship records. Their training office is also located in the Vermilion Provincial Building, just east of this campus. You'll meet staff from their office this week. The Teaching and Learning Commons provides a range of services. Whether you have questions about library services, peer tutoring, or wireless access, help is available in the Commons. Most Commons services are located across from the cafeteria in the lower level of Alumni Hall. The library has resources specific to trade students that can be accessed using the barcode number on your student card. From the Lakeland Library homepage, you can link to the Trades Exam Bank. Your access will expire when you're done your studies. There are also other trade-specific electronic resources available. Check with our library staff for help. The library is also home to IT support. Staff members in the Learner Success Center are available to help students academically. Need assistance with a course? Fill out a tutor request form, the first step in accessing free tutoring services. The Learner Success Center is also home to accessibility services. Our purpose is to enable students to overcome disability barriers to access our programs. Disabilities lie in three general categories: learning, such as reading impairment; sensory, such as hearing impairment; or born or acquired physical disability. Assistive technology equipment such as screen readers, large print keyboards, braille, and audio equipment are available. If you have a documented disability, please talk to our accessibility advisor right away to learn about the full academic accommodations available. Health and wellness services are located in Student Services in Alumni Hall. Lakeland's wellness team promotes mental, physical, and social well-being. Our wellness advisor can help you with a range of issues, whether you have exam anxiety, relationship concerns, or want money management tips. If you are ill, injured, or have health-related questions, health services can help. There is a registered nurse on campus who can provide single-dose, non-prescription medications, first aid, and more. Doctor appointments are typically available on campus 1 day a week. Check with health services to book an appointment. Make sure you report any injury you sustain while in class to health services. They will file Workers' Compensation Board forms for you. A big part of college is what you do outside of class. While you're here, get involved. Download the Lakeland app to learn about events, activities, campus services, clubs, and more. Many of the events are organized by the Students Association. The SA is also involved in operating Spurs. This on-campus bar is found in the Student Center. If you live in residence, you may have already met your residence assistant, or RA. Every residence has one, and there's always an RA on duty in the evenings and on weekends. RAs can help you with everything from disputes with your roommate to being locked out of your room. There's also 24-hour security on campus, and a Safe Walk program is available. Every Lakeland student has access to the Recreation Center. Just bring your student card for free access to the facility. Intramural and drop-in sports run most weekday evenings in the gym. Students also receive discounted rates for Be Fit for Life Center classes. That gives you an overview of many of the services available at Lakeland. If you have any questions, please ask an instructor or visit Student Services in Alumni Hall. And thanks for choosing Lakeland College as your training provider. We look forward to helping you build your career in the trades.